I know most people are getting tired of me always saying, hey, call Those Callaways if you're looking to buy or sell a home. But there's a reason, because they are the perfect people that are going to help get you into your home and make the process easy to get the perfect house.
In a wonderful location.
In a wonderful location, wherever they want to be. And of course, Kelly Callaway.
Hello, Tiffany.
I know you have always really cool houses to tell us about.
And this one is in Rancho San Carlos subdivision.
Okay.
Wonderful, wonderful area. Easy access to the 101, which takes you anywhere. Great restaurants, everything in the area. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,923 square foot. Has newer AC and all new windows in 2016. It's solar, which I think is amazing.
Love solar,
absolutely amazing. Spacious rooms, open floor plan, but the backyard is one of the things I love about this home. It has a gazebo with a bar area, built-in barbecue, fenced pebble-tech pool. Absolutely gorgeous backyard in a wonderful area.
It sounds amazing.
It is a great house.
And what is the price on this one?
It is $779,000.
Oh, that's great for that location.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful.
And like you said, it's close to everything. So, as always, they need to call you, whether this is their home or something else. You're going to help them.
We will.
Thank you for joining us again.
Thank you.